Hari Om and Namaste dear friends. Welcome to the 8th video of Yoga at our home series. Find a comfortable space around you. Sit with ease and let's begin with a gentle warm up. Lift your both hands up. Rotate your hands clockwise first, then anti-clockwise. Now lift your both hands up. Bend your right elbow and gently press with your left hand. Feel a nice stretch on your right hand shoulder. Now bend your left hand elbow, press with your right hand, feel the stretch on your left hand shoulder. Both hands straight, make a fist and rotate your wrist in clockwise direction first. Your shoulder relax and feel the movement in your wrist. Rotate your wrist anti-clockwise. Drop your both hands down and slowly come into tabletop pose on the mat. From here, press your palm firmly and gently lift your both knees just an inch off your floor. Engage your core and hold with steady breathe. From tabletop pose, straight your knees and lift your hip up. Come into mountain pose. Now shift forward into upward plank. From plank, lower slowly down into chaturanga. Inhale and lift your chest into upward facing dog. Exhale, push back into downward facing dog. Repeat this flow 5 to 10 times to build your strength, stability in your shoulders. Now from here, hold for few breaths, keep your core engaged, and this practice not only build your shoulder but also improve your core stability, balance and overall endurance, and also improve back strength and posture. Now from here come to plank pose. Now gently shift your body weight into your left hand, lift your right hand up, balance there. Slowly take your right hand behind your back, hold there, core remain engaged. Now shift to side plank, look up towards your right hand, hold there for some breath, drop your right hand down in center of your mat, lift your left hand up straight, hold there for some breath, take your left hand behind your back, remain there. Now shift to side plank, lift your left hand up, look up towards your left hand thumb. Now drop your left hand down, come in upper plank. From here, lower down to your elbows into elbow plank, then push back up to upper plank. Repeat this movement for 10 reps to build your strong stable shoulders. Now come in elbow plank, lift your right leg up and hold here for few breaths. Keep your core strong and gently lower it down and switch leg, hold there. After that, come into child pose. Rest here for few breaths and allow your shoulders to relax completely. Now gently come into mountain. Bend your knees, jump front, come in Bakasana. Balance there. This helps strengthen your wrist and forearms. From here, jump back into Chaturanga and from here come to mountain. From here, bring your left leg outside your left hand. Place your knee on your elbow. Lift your back leg up and come in Ekpal Asana. Take your leg back and change your leg and repeat on the other side. Now come to Asana from another side. Lift your back leg up, hold here for some breath, drop your leg down, come in Chaturanga. From here come to mountain, drop your knees down and rest here for some breath into child pose. From here come in Vajrasana, rotate your wrist, relax your wrist from anti-clockwise and clockwise. Now come to side Bakasana, drop your both hands down on your mat, your right hand outside your left leg knee, place your both fingertips down and make a grip with your fingers, lift your both legs up, balance here in side plank as much as you can, slowly come back. Now change the side and again lift your both legs up, balance here for some breath, slowly come back, drop your leg down and rotate your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise. From here, tuck your t-shirt in. For next practice, Sirsasana, headstand. Now come in Vajrasan and drop your both hands elbow down, interlock your fingers, make a triangle with your elbows, drop your crown of the head on your mat, lift your both knees up from your toes, move forward and slowly and gently lift your both legs up, balance here for some breathe, do not lose your focus. Now gently bring your both legs down. Come in child pose. Make a fist with your both hands. Place one fist over the other and rest your forehead on them. Gently press your neck down to relax and release any tension in your neck muscle. Now slowly come in mountain, jump and hold there. Slowly straight your knees, come in handstand, balance here for some breath. Now if you lose your balance, drop your knees down, come to child pose, relax here. Once you finish handstand, if you feel any stress or tightness in your wrist, gently rotate them clockwise and anti-clockwise to release the tension. Now slowly sit in simple crossed leg, head straight, spine straight. And now let's begin with Anulom Vilom, the gentle art of alternate nostril breathing. Let your breath flow like a soft rhythm. Calm your mind and clear every blockage within. Inhale peace and exhale all the stress. Feel the balance, the beauty and the glow rising from within. Now gently exhale from your left nostril and drop your right hand down. Moving to the next practice of our pranayama, Bhramari, humming bee breathe. Close your eyes, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, create a soft humming sound like a gentle vibration of peace. Feel this vibration traveling through your face, your neck, and your heart, climbing your thoughts and bring a screen glow from within. Bhramari Pranayam reduce stress and will improve focus and inner balance. Now gently drop your both hands down. Hari Om to everyone. We will meet again next week. Practice this flow throughout the week and stay healthy, balanced and peaceful.